Good morning, student. Today we will see how we will record the GST in accounting book. Now you know when you purchase the goods, you pass the entry for goods purchased. Before this, you will record purchase account debit and input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to cash account or bank account or either creditor's account. When you will purchase the goods for cash, now all the payment are compulsory made by check. So mostly for the cash transaction, you will write the word bank. When you will purchase the goods, you will pay CGST and SGST. If GST rate is 5%, now you purchase the goods of 10,000, for example, and this is the rate of 5%. Now 500 you will pay to the central government and 500 you will pay to the state government. Now for purchase return, when you will return this goods to the creditors, now creditors account debit to purchase return account and to input CGST to input SGST account. For example, out of 10,000, you have returned the goods of 2,000. So tax of related to 2,000, that is 100 rupees, that will be also cancel one. And government will return this to you. Now, for goods sold, suppose you have purchased the goods of 10,000 and 2,000 of goods you have returned. Now you have the goods of 8,000 and you sell this goods of 8,000 to the customers in the price of 12,000. When you will sell the goods, you will write bank account debit if it is a cash transaction, or debtors account debit if it is the credit transaction. to sales account and to output CGST and to output SGST. Now this was the cost for you 8,000 and you have sold these goods for 12,000 to the customers. Now your sell price will be 12,000 and on this 12,000 you will take the tax from the customer 5%, that is the 600. Now out of 600, 400 tax already you have paid at the time of purchase. So only 200 tax now you will pay to government. Now means overall this is the 5%, you have to pay only 5%, not more than this. And some part of the tax you have paid at the time of purchase. Now remaining tax only you will pay to the government. So when you will sell the goods, you will pass the entry bank account debit, debtors account debit, to sales account, to output CGST, to output SGST. In the same for sales return, then you will pass the entry sales return account debit and output CGST account debit, output SGST account debit to debtors account. So this entry will pass on the sales return. So now this is the main concept you can understand. If you are paying the money, now this is the expenses. In that case, input CGST and input SGST will be debit, and you are receiving the income. You are receiving the income like sell, interest received, dividend received, like such. In that case, you will make credit output CGST and output SGST. After making the adjustment of input and output, you will pay tax to the government. So how you will pay the tax to the government? First set of setting of CGST, input CGST against output CGST. So first, central government CGST, central government tax, you will make the adjustment. So output CGST account debit to input CGST. After making the adjustment of central government, state government tax, you will make the adjustment. Setting off input CGST against output, yes GST, input yes GST against output yes GST. So you will pass the entry output yes GST account debit to input yes GST. So central government input should be adjusted with central government output, and state government input should be adjusted with state government output. After then, whatever is the balance of GST should be paid to the different government. Now you will pay the GST to the government. So CGST output CGST account debit output yes GST account debit to bank account. In the seeing, as you have seen, it seems the easy to make the adjustment of taxes, but when you will solve the question, then the really you will see the different types of conditions, and you will really learn how you will make the payment to the government and how you will make the real adjustment of tax, because this is the most technical point, how you have to make the adjustment of taxes. But this should be clear only by solving the numerical, because in each numerical you will see a different case. So many different cases, how you will make the adjustment of tax, that we will see in the next video. Thank you.